Alright, here's Cameron. He's eating. Hi, bud. I'm going to give him a piece of apple. Watch his face. He doesn't really like it. So we'll keep trying. You ready? Oh, I gotta take a drink first. Good drink. Okay. They're sweet. But you just don't know what to do with them, do you? Do you want to buy your cereal? And pears and pineapples? You want to try another apple? That one wasn't so bad, huh? Is it getting better? You like it more? Normally we have some funky faces. Here, drink some water. Good job.